Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JONE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, this chart is pretty tricky to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just say, for example, that you're a day trader, and maybe you bought right there, or you bought right there, or you bought there, and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying. Well, for you, yeah, the chart looks pretty bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there was a big pullback. But big picture, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading type perspective going into it. And the reason I would still give the bulls the benefit of the doubt, again, from the big picture, is because the price can still stay up above some key levels and build a higher base. And the main level to me is right here around 38 cents. So I'm not saying the price is headed down here, but for example's sake, let's say the price actually does come down to 38 cents, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have a little double bottom right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, big picture-wise, you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. Again, I 100% realize that if you are a day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you couldn't care less about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be making these comments from more so a bigger picture type viewpoint. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. When you look at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the bulls do still have a chance to build that higher base. So that is definitely priority number one going forward, chipping away and building a higher low. So let's see if the price can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.